in a restaurant. We want to take breakfast before we head out to Diani. Our flight is we're supposed to check in. No, we are supposed to board at 9:40. And it's 7:30 now, so we have like an hour 40 minutes to have breakfast and to have checked in. We'll probably check in at around 9 so that we have a waiting time of like 40 minutes before we go. Yeah, and we are at Java having breakfast.
August on zone number 2 and zone number 3, please remain seated. Thank you.
We're waiting to board our flight. We're supposed to be boarding at 9:45. It's now 9:37. So in the next 20 minutes or so, we're hoping the weather in Diani in Ikunda is hot. Amazing year in quotes. A break is well deserved, honestly. We need these things to just take time off. Yeah, and enjoy the beauty.
Africa bit of them about a langa, hey. Africa bit of them about a langa, hey. Africa will reign, Africa will reign, yeah. Africa will reign, Africa will reign, Africa will reign, Africa will reign, yeah. Africa will reign, 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 yeah. Africa warrior, yeah. Africa, apejo, namarito dala. Africa, apejo, namarito dala. Ola no mano kalo kwa diloka, kirua kati yawa. Omi yo chien okianya, yo Africa kikua keto lalo yawa. Omi yo chien okianya, ola lo kirua kati yawa. Africa warrior, Africa warrior. Africa's a blessing continent. Luanda Magere, Shaka Zulu, Miriam Makeba. I love this continent of Africa. Africa warrior.